Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Uh, Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is how to pick up stocks at the right time from the market. And I will show you some really good examples which will shock you. And today it's going to be very exciting. So please watch the video till the end and learn this art of picking up the stocks at the right time. It's a very simple rule based system which you can use and the results will be very good. So let's get started. This is my channel which you can subscribe and click on the notification. I've been posting my performance every day or every alternate day whenever I close my strategy. So one day ago we have booked a loss of about 3,800. Previous to that we have booked a profit about 6,000, 4,800, 1,200, 4,000. 2000. So all these profits are basically trading our strategies. That is also like a one lot strategy. The hardly investment for this will be around 25 to 30k, and these are mostly the strategies which I have already updated you in this channel. So please check through all those strategies and try to understand what I'm doing and what kind of system I'm following. Okay, so without wasting further time, first we will do is we will analyze Bank Nifty, which we do every week. So Bank Nifty is looking bullish as of now. So this is a monthly candle, and after the fall we have recovered till this level and we have also cleared the previous highs. So this is an all-time high. Market is at all-time high and we are struggling to go up. So there is no clear direction as of now on monthly chart. And when you come to on a weekly chart has been consolidating for like couple of weeks the same level. So if you can see, the small narrow range candles depict that there is no clear direction which way the market will go. So it is actually creating trap for retail investors. Sometime it goes bullish, bearish, and now again it is giving a bullish sign from this level. So this is a bullish sign for us, and RSI is also supportive, and the narrow range candle and a green candle formed after that. So let's see if the next week candle opens somewhere here and tries to break this new all-time highs, then we can expect a bullish move from there. This is on a daily time frame. As you can see, it has been consolidating the same zone. If I put up a rectangle here, if from this point it has been in the same range for a couple of days now. Okay, so there's no clear direction. Whenever the market comes till this level, there's a lot of buying coming in. Again it came this level, buying came, this level buying came, again at this level buying came, and now it is at the upper end. If again there is a reversal happening from here, what will happen? The market will again come down, touch this line, and then move up. So it will be consolidating in this fashion. So best strategies during this time is to have a directional less strategies and work on it and wait for the direction to form. So we have been just doing our directional butterflies here. Whenever we see this candle, we usually go for a bullish strategy, take money, and then reversal we exit and create a bearish strategy, bullish strategy, bearish strategy. So like this we have been doing, and results have been good, except for last couple of days. Okay, so now if you see this on an hourly chart, super trend is bearish, and it is still consolidating at a level where it's finding support. So this was the level where it has bounced from here, again a bounce from here, because longer wicks, narrow range candles are forming here. So there can be an upside movement. But let's see, usually when super trend is there, the trend is bearish at this level. So if I have to draw a trend line on this peak, so this was the trend, and trend was broken on a shorter term time frame, and now we can expect it to again come back to this level, and if it is in consolidation, it will consolidate in the same zone for longer period of time. So nothing much in the direction as such for the next week, but it all depends how we open up and what are the good factors which are going to add fuel to either bullish or bearish. So we will go with neutral strategies only for next week. Let's see how it goes. And now coming to our main topic of the day, which is how to scan stocks for a investment purpose on a weekly basis. Before that, I want to show you one stock which you will be surprised. That stock name is Saregama. So what is so special about this stock, you will come to know. So let's analyze this stock on a monthly time frame. Okay, so this is a monthly chart of Saregama Music. So this is a music label, and they have multiple products, and they also hold a lot of rights for the old content, old catalog. They're also getting into new movies and buying out music also for latest movie. So if you can see, the stock was in 2014 at 65 rupees. 2020 crash, it was at 185 rupees. So all this growth happened because the company did a lot of expansion. They launched that Carvaan transistor, and after that the overall growth of the company was like this. And it was quite normal to see this kind of a stock at 180, 190 or 200 rupees, because its competition Z stock is also in the same range. But what is so different that this stock moved up to 200 to 3487 within a year's time, 4th May till September 21. See this, stock has already given 10x from 400 rupees from the breakout point till 3487. So, and what you need to notice and be cautious about this stock is that look at the kind of volumes we had when this stock went up from these zones. Okay, and now look at the volumes we have when the stock is constantly going up. So there is something wrong with this overall bull run which the stock is having, and no stock will actually go in this fashion for longer period of time. There is something fishy about this stock, and you can expect a reversal. But from trading point of view, investment point of view, look at the way we have got an entry on the super trend here. We got an entry, the super trend, the strategy what we use, at around 417. Super trend gave an entry, 20 and 200 both gave an entry, and you invest here and waited till the time super trend is not broken. So super trend is still running with the stock. Your stop loss would have been 28 or 2920. The moment this stop loss is hit, you're out of the trade. So this is a simple strategy which you're going to follow every week. What you need to do is every week you go to this screener, put weekly close crossed above weekly super trend 14 and 2, cash segment or future segment, whichever is comfortable you, and then search these stocks every weekend. Every weekend this is what you need to do. So let's look at Sundaram Holdings. what is this stock doing. Sundaram HLD. This one. We will add other stocks as well. Let's pick up stocks which are a little bit higher in the price, like Suven Pharma. Yeah, Suven Pharma is the only one. Let's see what it is. Okay, so let's analyze these two stocks and see whether they are really giving an entry or on a weekly time frame. Okay, you have to do this strictly on a weekly time frame. See, the stock has given you an entry on a weekly time frame, Sundaram Finance, with a great volume, and the stock has been moving up. Some problem with this mouse. Okay, so this is the trend of the stock, and it has been moving in a good uptrend, and it has retraced from this level. So this is looking very good for investment purpose. Sundaram Finance on a weekly time frame, and see, the stock has fallen from where? From 300 till 90s. Okay, so this is one stock which you can invest on a short term basis, not a long term, and your stop loss will be the super trend. The super trend, whenever the candle closes below the super trend, you have to exit. Simple. Let's look at Suven Pharma. Suven Pharma is also giving an entry with good volume, 1.69 million, and is going in an uptrend. So this is, I am not very strong feeling on Sundaram, but I have a very good feeling about Suven Pharma. And if you want to check the fundamentals of this company also, you can check. But here you are getting an entry. The stop loss will be at the super trend level, which is at 486. So this will be our level. 471 may be the stop loss. So we need to enter with a quantity which is comfortable to us, whether it is 100 shares, 200 shares, 300 shares, or even 10 shares, whichever is comfortable to you. You can enter in this and ride this entire move till the time super trend is not hit. When I say hit, the candle should close below the super trend like this. The super trend should give you a bearish entry. Only then you will exit. Till that time, you have to hold on to this stock. So like this, every week, your job is to go and let's check this Barbie. Go and find stocks and put some amount of money in that and invest. And every week, whenever you see any of your existing stock breaking the super trend, you exit out of the trade. As simple as that. So let's see Barbecue Nation. Is it giving us an entry? Barbecue Nation is also giving us an entry. This is a recent launch, and this is a pretty old chain. 25th of April 21 they have launched, and from there is a good buying which is happening, and it is given you an entry now. So maybe we will look at this chart on a daily basis. It has been consolidating and then it shot up with good volume. So you can also invest in this stock. This is also looking promising as of now, but I would suggest you to wait till it comes back to 900 levels, because this has gone too far, and whenever you find anything too far from moving average, please do not buy. You should only think of sell. So anyways, this will come back till this level 20 period moving average, then you can take an entry. So that's the simple rule which I'm teaching you guys. This way you can scan for the stocks every week and invest some bit from your savings into these kind of stocks and wait for the returns to come. And I have been generating consistent returns from this by investing very small amounts, and they have given very good results. And trust me, you can also try this and follow this simple rule, and also check for other factors before just taking the trade blindly. Because if you look at Sundaram's Sundaram Finance, so here if you see on a weekly chart, this was an overall weak stock. Okay, this is an overall weak stock, and the stock is bouncing up, and there will be a limit to that bounce. Okay, it can go up to a level where it can be a dead cat bounce, and it can stop and again reverse from there. So you need to be little careful in choosing these stocks. You have to analyze it overall on all the rules what we have defined. Look at the super trend, look at the 20 period moving average, look at the 200 period moving average, look at the price action overall, and it is simple for you to invest and stick to the rule. If you go wrong in this stock also, you will exit at super trend 75. That is a loss you have to book and exit. But don't over trade with heavy quantity. Always try to limit your risk, and whatever is the risk amount, only that much quantity you should trade. So you can look at the videos which I had, and I will tell you in those videos I've already told you what kind of capital you should invest in these kind of stocks. You should always define a risk of 1% or 2% of your entire capital, and then divide that 2% amount, and you get that quantity. Suppose your risk is 5,000 divided by your stop loss. So your stop loss is 85 minus 90 minus say 70, so 20 points. 20 points you divide 5,000 divided by 20, that is the amount, that is a quantity you need to buy, so that your loss will not go below above the 5,000 mark. So that's it for this week, guys, and I hope you have learned something new in this video. And please do subscribe and comment, and if you want me to analyze any of your stocks and give you a view, please do comment so that I can analyze and post my reviews there.